Kuya Ronnie TV from Lil Himi. Cheers, guys. Sarap. Hi, Sharni. Welcome to my live. Sharni, nag-ano din to? Nagla-live din to. Guys, dikit na ba kayo kay Sharni? Dikitan nyo yan, guys. Please connect to Sharni. Child of God, Jesus loves you. All I know, the child of God is wrong. Who is this? Oh, this is new channel. Only for videos. Yes, Jesus loves us. Thank you very much for coming, child of God. Hi, sis Ding, Simple Living. Thank you sa 16 likes. Hello, host. Busy lang ako. Yes, thank you very much. Karina, hello, Karina. Please, guys, hit likes for me, please. Hello, Marlene. Say hello, Marlene. Ayan. Hello. Mega love shout out, Marlene from Karina. You're welcome. You too. Have a blessed day. Yes. Thank you very much. Si Akef. Hi, Akef. Akef Tele. Good evening. How are you, Akef? Yes, I'm good. Hello, sis Ding from Lil Himi. Yummy. Cheers, guys. Nakita niyo yung kulay ng tikot? Talagang iba yung kulay niya. Medyo strong siya, maanghang. Yeah, it's spicy. The ginger tea. What's your favorite food? Favorite foods? Oh my god. I don't know anymore. What's my favorite food? I think I eat a lot. All I know, my favorite is seafoods. The seafoods, yeah. But I'm not picky of food. Yeah. Seafoods. I really like crab and prawns, shrimp. Yeah, shrimps. I like seafoods too. Really? Wow.